Kind plate is a concept that emerged in the early 1970s, driven by growing concerns about food waste and the environmental impact of agriculture. Originating from research conducted by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, UNFAO, it became more widely recognized following a landmark report published in 2008 titled "Preventing Food Waste at Home." The concept refers to reducing food losses at all stages of production, processing, distribution, and consumption. By promoting better supply chain management, improved storage techniques, and targeted communication strategies, Kind Plate aims to ensure that more edible food reaches consumers without being discarded. Early developments included the introduction of standardized packaging designs in supermarkets to prevent premature spoilage by extending shelf life. Innovations like modified atmosphere packaging also became common, prolonging fresh produce freshness well beyond traditional expiration dates. Meanwhile, technological advancements such as RFID tagging and blockchain technology improve traceability throughout supply chains, allowing for better inventory management and food safety monitoring. The effects of implementing the Kind Plate concept have been profound, with estimates suggesting that reducing food waste could save up to 15% of global annual grain production by 2030. This translates into an environmental benefit of 4 billion tons of carbon dioxide emissions avoided annually. Economically, it has led to significant savings in operational costs for businesses, particularly within the hospitality and retail sectors. However, there are also drawbacks. Initial implementation can be costly, requiring investments in technology and training programs. Over time, Kind Plate initiatives have spread globally, with countries like France implementing mandatory food donation laws to reduce waste among restaurants, supermarkets, and caterers. In 2050, the World Resources Institute projects that achieving the goals of Kind Plate could result in an additional $1 trillion per year in economic benefits worldwide, while simultaneously reducing greenhouse gas emissions by a projected 7.3 billion tons annually. Future improvements suggest greater emphasis on waste reduction, strategies targeting consumer behavior and societal norms regarding food waste. By leveraging artificial intelligence for personalized meal recommendations based on dietary preferences and nutritional needs, the Kind Plate concept can continue to evolve toward a more sustainable future, ensuring that food remains available for those who need it most, while minimizing waste.